Hello, good morning students. Welcome to the computer classes. Today we will see some features or some components of OpenOffice ORG. Okay, so let's begin. You can start OpenOffice ORG by clicking on your shortcut of OOO Writer on your desktop, or you can also choose it OpenOffice ORG Writer application from the start menu in your computer's all programs. Okay, so we are just double click on this shortcut menu and will wait to load it into the memory. Now you can see here, okay, now it is getting started. Now click on text document. So here you can see this type of interface has come. Okay, now this is your writing area. Okay, so let's talk about each of the elements or each of the bars given over here. So first of all, very first, the topmost line, okay, located at the top of your screen, this blue line, okay, this is called the title bar. Okay, ये वाला जो बार है उसे हम बोलेंगे title bar. Okay, this title bar is useful to give the name of your particular document, okay, by which you are saving your document. Here now by default it is Untitled 1 OpenOffice Writer. Okay, so Untitled 1 is the by default name, TITLE, title bar. Okay, this bar shows you the title bar. Okay, this one. Now afterwards, if we go to the just below the title bar, here you can see this is this bar. To the just below the title bar, here you can see this is this bar is called the menu bar. Okay, located below the title bar. This is your menu bar. It lists the writer various menu options. Okay, here you can have various menu options like file, edit, view, insert. Inside that you will get the sub menu appropriate to that particular menus. Coming to the next, this one, this particular bar just below the menu bar, here this one is called formatting toolbar. Formatting toolbar. This formatting toolbar consists of tools which are frequently used for formatting your document. Okay, for formatting your document, this type of shortcuts are there, and this is called formatting toolbar. Next, just below the formatting toolbar, you will have this bar. Okay, this is called standard toolbar. Okay, this is called standard toolbar. Okay, now the standard toolbar consists of most frequently used commands and utilities. Okay, you can go through it, which are really related to the most frequently used commands into your documents. Okay, जिसकी आपको बार बार ज़रूरत पड़ती है वो है standard toolbar. Now students, here you can see two rulers are there. Okay, एक तो ये horizontal ruler है और एक तो ये vertical ruler है. So here you have two types of rulers. One is this one and another one is this one. Okay, these two rulers are here. Ruler bar allows to format the vertical alignment, okay, and horizontal alignment of format the vertical alignment, okay, and horizontal alignment of text in a document, okay. It is used to get tabs, tops, margins and indentations, okay. For that we have two rulers, okay, so they are called the ruler bar. Then next here you can see this one, okay, just bottom of your page one bar is located. This bar is called the, this one is called the status bar, okay, which shows the status of your page, जो आपको आपके पेज का स्टेटस बताएगा, ठीक है. स्टेटस मीन्स देखिए यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि दिस वन, ओके, दिस इज द स्टेटस. स्टेटस में यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, पेज 1/1, ओके. पेज 1/1 का मतलब होता है कि पेज 1/1 का मतलब होता है दिस वन, ओके. इसका मतलब होता है कि हम अभी करंटली फर्स्ट पेज पे काम कर रहे हैं और हमारे पास टोटल पेज भी कितने हैं, 1, ओके. इफ आई हैव रिटन समथिंग लाइक 3/5, ओके, अगर मैंने 3/5 लिखा है तो इसका मतलब होता है कि मेरे पास टोटल 5 पेजेस आई हैव मेड इन ओपन ऑफिस राइटर, ओके, फ्रॉम विच आई एम करंटली वर्किंग ऑन पेज नंबर 3, ओके. Next here in status bar you can see this is the default page, okay, that is what is written default. Then next here it is written English USA, this is the by default your computer selected language. Then here you can see two mode which are called insert and standard. These are the writing mode, okay, this we will discuss afterwards. Now coming to this corner, here you can see this type of modes, these are called viewing modes, okay. These are the various viewing modes to view your text area, okay. आपके text area को अलग अलग तरीके से व्यू करने के लिए we have this, okay. If I am going through it, you can see various type of screens you can see if I am clicking on this particular, okay. Yes, so here you can see this one, this is zoom area, okay, to make zoom of your screen, okay. हम इसको zoom in कर सकते हैं या फिर zoom out कर सकते हैं, okay, to make our, to set our page size according to our choice, okay. This is called zoom in and zoom out. So these are few basic components which you can see on your screen. Now this area, okay, which is bounded by this boundary, okay, ये वाली जो boundary जो आपको दिख रही है, ठीक है, if I am talking about this boundary, okay, तो ये आपका हो गया margin, okay, इसे हम बोलेंगे margin, ठीक है. ये बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट एक मार्जिन सेट किया हुआ है, ओके. दिस मार्जिन्स आर हेल्पफुल टू प्रॉपरली, दीज आर द पेज बॉर्डर्स, ओके. ये आपकी जो है, ये जो एरिया कन्वर्ट हुआ है, ये जो रेड लाइन है उसे हम बोलेंगे मार्जिन्स, ठीक है. दीज आर मार्जिन्स एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर इज़ योर, दिस वन इज़ योर पेज बॉर्डर, ओके. ये आपकी पेज बॉर्डर है. दिस पेज बॉर्डर व्हेन यू टेक प्रिंट, ओके, आप जब प्रिंट लोगे तो ये आपकी पेज बॉर्डर विजिबल नहीं होगी, ओके. दिस इज इनविजिबल व्हाइल यू आर टेकिंग द प्रिंट आउट. दीज आर कॉल्ड द मार्जिन्स. एंड नाउ द एरिया विच इज सराउंडेड बाय द पेज बॉर्डर, दिस एरिया होल in your document window wherein you can enter your text, okay, जहाँ पे आप टेक्स्ट एंटर कर सकते हो, ठीक है, जहाँ पे आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, ओके. दिस एरिया इज कॉल्ड योर वर्क एरिया, ठीक है. इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया को हम बोलेंगे वर्क एरिया. सो हियर यू कैन सी ऑल दिस कंपोनेंट्स. These are the basic components of your OpenOffice ORG writer. Just right side of your screen you can see few properties are given. Okay, so here you can see few properties where you can go through with the text alignment options, okay, or text formatting options, then paragraph formatting options. You can adjust the line width, size, spacing and all, and next to it you can see the page orientations and margins, sizes and columns you can adjust. So these are really helpful. Now see here, if I click on this particular non-printing character, so as you can see here what are the changes done on my page. Okay, so here you can see I have some non-printing characters. I mean these non-printing characters are often useful to see, particularly when you are working with heavily formatted documents, as I told you. And to display that we have the show and hide button, okay, which is on your standard toolbar. So see, each time you press this enter, you can see this type of marker, or you can say this type of mark. Okay, this particular mark shows you that here you have pressed the enter. Okay, now in between the words you can see students few dots. Okay, ये दो वर्ड के बीच में छोटे छोटे डॉट्स आप देख सकते हो. Now this dot indicates that you leave a स्पेस बार. ओके, यहाँ पे आपने एक स्पेस बार आपके डॉक्यूमेंट में डाला है. यू हैव यूज अ स्पेस की, दैट इज वाइट शोज यू द डॉट बिटवीन टू वर्ड्स. एंड here you can also see few arrows. Okay, so these arrows shows that here you have pressed the tab keys. Okay, so yes, these are called the non-printing characters. When you are going through the printout, at that time these things are invisible. Okay, now let's talk about the word wrap feature. So for that I am trying to type something here. Okay, the text area. So let's write about the text area. The area where you write or type the text. The text is the text area. Is the, now see here. Okay, again I am showing you. यहाँ पे मैं लिखना चाहती हूँ टेक्स्ट. ओके, यहाँ से मैं ऑटोमेटिकली नीचे मूव ऑन हो जाऊंगी विदाउट प्रेसिंग द एंटर. ओके, सी TE. ओके, इट इज ऑटोमेटिकली गोइंग टू द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द नेक्स्ट लाइन. ओके, सो text area, let me complete. So what is word wrapping feature? In word wrapping feature in writer, when a word does not fit on a line, then it automatically flows on the beginning of the next line. This process is known as word wrapping process. So this is what I want to show you. Now let's go to save option, कि हम लोग फाइल को सेव कैसे करें. So for that we have one shortcut given over here, that is कि आप सिंपली कंट्रोल S प्रेस कर दो. ओके, एंड दिस इज़ द टूल. ओके, शॉर्ट टूल आपको यहाँ पे दिया गया है. यू कैन गो थ्रू दिस टूल और एल्स यू कैन गो टू द फाइल मेन्यू एंड सेव एज ऑप्शन. इफ़ वी सेव आवर फाइल फर्स्ट टाइम, देन it is a chosen option to go to the save as. So click on save as. ठीक है, आप यहाँ पे फाइल सेव करना चाहते हो तो यहाँ पे मैंने एक्चुअली ऑलरेडी इसको फाइल 1.odt से पहले सेव करके रखा था. सो नाउ लेट मी चेंज इट्स नेम. बाय फाइल 1 की जगह मैं इसको doc1 कर देती हूँ. ठीक है, doc1. द फाइल फॉर्मेट इज़ .odt एंड वेयर आई वॉन्ट टू शो इट, सेव इट. आई वॉन्ट टू चूज़ द डेस्कटॉप. ओके, मैं इसको डेस्कटॉप में सेव करना चाहती हूँ. सो लेट मी चूज़ सेव ऑप्शन. ओके, so my file is now saved on the desktop with doc1.odt name. Okay, here also you can see the file name on your title bar. It is changed now. So students, now if you make any change onto this document, अगर आप अब कोई change करके इसको सेव करना चाहते हो तो आप simply you can go through the save option. ठीक है, अब आपको लोकेशन या बार बार कुछ भी अलग से डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now let's come out from this writer. So for that we have the quit option. Control plus Q आप simply type कर दो, या फिर you can go to the file menu and choose exit, so you can come out from the writer. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि मेरा doc1 क्रिएट हो चुका है और पहले मैंने इसी फाइल को file1 नेम से सेव किया. सो आई हैव गॉट द 2 फाइल्स. ओके, तो मैं इसको आपको एक बार ओपन करके दिखा देती हूँ. लेट मी open this file doc1. So you can double click on that file and yes, here the file has been opened with OpenOffice Writer. So students, I hope you understand all these basic things regarding to the writer. Thank you so much.